Hello, welcome to Nakia Reviews. Today I'm going to be doing a review for you guys. It is of, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is Arcani Edge Control, Arcani Coil Care Enthroned Edges. There we go. So let me say that again. It is Arcani Coil Care Enthroned Edges. So I'll be doing trying this out today. And I will let you guys know, or I guess you guys will see how it turns out, but this is the rub challenge. I have seen this on a lot of ads and stuff, so I just wanted to try it out and see if it was actually worth the hype, or if it actually can, you know, smooth them edges out. Woo, sleep back. So I'm actually, so this was actually a company that was started by 3 women here, and yeah, I'm excited to see how it turns out. I'm actually gonna attempt to try and style my hair like hers. So I don't know if it's gonna actually look like this, but I'm gonna try it out. So what I have here, and I'm actually at my mom's house, so this is the gel that she has. It is called Extreme Professional Gel, whatever. So I'm gonna just try this. I usually use like Eco Style or some other curling custard, so I'm hoping this will, you know, do something to this hair of mine so that I can look decent, because I'm about to be flying back home in a minute. Actually, in like my flight leaves at 5, so I'll be catching my flight in a couple of hours here. So this is gonna be my airport hairstyle, and I hope it's cute, because after I do my hair, then I'm gonna start packing up my kids. So here we go. We're gonna try this out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, guys. And there is a mirror in front of me and stuff, so I'm gonna be looking this way, but I'm still, you know, I'm still with y'all, even though I'm looking over here. Okay, so it says that you need to rub it until it's, apply evenly, rub until it's dry, meaning that no more tacky filling. For stronger hold, apply second layer and repeat. And it says it lasts up to 3 to 5 days before you need to reapply it. So, okay. I don't know about 3 to 5 days, but let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna just apply this on the edges, and I'm gonna rub it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do the other side too. The front. Side. I mean, it's, let's see. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair up like I want it, and then I'm going to rub it some more and see how that does. So, but just so far, I mean, that is pretty good. I mean, it's not bad, not too shabby. Let me do the back too. Let me do the back too. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is Arcani Edge Control, Arcani Coil Care Enthroned Edges. There we go. So let me say that again. It is Arcani Coil Care Enthroned Edges. So I'll be doing trying this out today, and I will let you guys know, or I guess you guys will see how it turns out. But this is the rub challenge. I have seen this on a lot of ads and stuff, so I just wanted to try it out and see if it was actually worth the hype, or if it actually can, you know, smooth them edges out. Woo! Sleek back. So I'm actually so this was actually a company that was started by 3 women here, and yeah, I'm excited to see how it turns out. I'm actually going to attempt to try and style my hair like hers, so I don't know if it's gonna actually look like this, but I'm gonna try it out. Okay, so I don't feel like I'm really liking this hairstyle that I tried to do, so I'm just gonna do me a bun up top. So I think that would be easier. So as I'm rubbing this side, I definitely feel like it's doing a little bit better than over here, which makes me think that I still need to rub it some more, because this is like a lot. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but this side is getting much more tight and like stuck down. Look at that. Compared to this side, which is what I did at first. So maybe I need to spend a little bit more time rubbing it to get the right look, or to get that like sleek back look that I'm looking for. But look at that. Wow, you guys. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, so I think maybe it was too wet, so I'm gonna apply just a little bit more, or just do a second layer, I guess, to this side. It. Yeah, like you guys can see, even between here and like right here, the second layer is what really did it for mine. So in that case, I'm gonna pull this piece out. Look how straight that is now. Second layer on this too, and then another second layer right here. And pull that back. Impressed. I must say, I am impressed. I really am. Now that I put the second layer on, I can actually see more of this lasting a few days. I don't know about 5 days, but if you sleep pretty hard like I do, this ain't gonna last no 5 days. But I do think it could probably last 3 days if you tie it down. For sure. And let me see my little puff. Now I want to do the back again too, because I can't see it, but I don't know if the back is smooth like when I did the second layer in the front. Arcani Edge Control, Arcani Coil Care Enthroned Edges. There we go. So let me say that again. It is Arcani Coil Care Enthroned Edges. So I'll be doing trying this out today. and I will let you guys know, or I guess you guys will see how it turns out. But this is the rub challenge. I have seen this on a lot of ads and stuff, so I just wanted to try it out and see if it was actually worth the hype, or if it actually can, you know, smooth them edges out. Woo, sleek back. So, and I also like the shine that it gives your hair. Like, it made my edges really shiny, which I think is nice. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, or stop right here, because I do want to let the top of this dry so I can actually see the finished look. It's too wet right now, so I can't really tell if I like this or not. But I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, go back to the natural texture, and then I'll probably like pick it out a little bit, and then I'll see how I like it, if I want to just stick with like a little top bun thing, or if I want to wear it like a little mohawk thing at the top. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take a stop right now, and then I'll show you guys the final look of my whole hair once the top of my hair dries. So be back in a bit. Okay, so I am back. I have let my hair dry. It's still just a few damp pieces, but overall it's pretty much dry. The edges are done as well. I do think that the product did exactly what it says it's gonna do. It did. As you continue to rub it, it ended up getting more hard and settling in more. I will say that this hairstyle, I don't feel like the edges will last that 3 to 5 days with this. And the reason why I said that is because this is not tight. Like, I only did this around one time, but I feel like if you did do like a ponytail or something like that, to where you have your hair inside of a tight rubber band or something, to where it's not, you know, loose like this, then it probably will last a little bit longer than the style that I did today. I think it possibly could last that 3 to 5 days like that. But if you aren't pulling your hair back really tight, then this is not gonna last 3 to 5 days at all. So, and then of course, the tighter that you have your hair pulled back, the less it's gonna curl up, because mine, it is very smooth on the you know, where I put the product and rubbed it, but then it just kind of waves up. And I believe that that's more so because I don't have my hair pulled back tightly. So I do think if you are wanting this to last those times, you'll need to use a hairstyle to where you have your hair slicked back tight. My edges, I don't think that they would last that 3 to 5 days either. So, but I do think that it would probably last like a full day. So keep that in mind when you do purchase it. I'm sorry that this camera's moving around. I'm trying to hold it, but I don't have my tripod with me. Like I said, I'm at my mom's house, so I don't have my tripod, so I'm trying to just hold it and, you know, prop my phone up however I can do this video. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys the final look. I'm not exactly like really in love with this hairstyle. I tried, maybe because my hair is not as voluminous as the girl in the picture, but I mean it's not horrible. I could wear it like this out, but okay, well, I hope that caught that, because I'm trying to hold it and record the back of my head. It's not easy. So I hope that I got the footage that I was trying to get so you guys could see. But the hairstyle is not bad, but the product, it did do exactly what it says it's going to do, as far as getting your edges smooth, sleek, and, you know, tight. But like I said, if I did have my hair pulled tighter, you would definitely be able to see just how well the product worked. But I guess I did pick the wrong hairstyle for this. So, but you guys can get the point. You know, read between the lines. It does work. If you are thinking about getting it, go ahead and try it out. Like I said, it's for your edges. Like I said, I don't know about this for like your edges. Like, I think it's good for like slicking your hair back, but as far as like doing like baby hairs, I don't think this product is good for that, because you have to rub it. And then if you have your design or your little wave or whatever, you can mess it up with your hand while you keep trying to rub it and rub it and rub it. So I don't know about that, but definitely if you're just trying to pull your hair back in a ponytail or some type of updo, or even if you're trying to like, you know, braid your hair or something and you just want that nice sleek beginning, I think that this product will be good for that. But hairstyles like this, it works, but it's not going to be something that's going to last 5 days. So, but as I said before, the product is good. I love that it's a Black-owned business. I love that they, I love the challenge of it. I thought it was a really good idea. Rubbing it was not really that bad. It's, you know, just rubbing your hair, so it's not like anything complicated or hard to get it to work. You can feel once it's dry. You definitely can tell once it's dry. As you keep rubbing it, it will get drier and drier. So yeah, overall, I think the product is nice. I think it's good. If you want to buy it, go ahead and buy it. But I don't think that it's, you know, a bad purchase if you did buy it. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks again for watching Nakia Reviews. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and that you give this video a like if you found anything useful out of it. Otherwise, have a good day. Bye-bye.